Hi guys, and thank you very much for coming back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments and all that. It would be great if you subscribed if you haven't already. And yeah, anyway, I'll catch you later on at the end of the video. So for now, ciao.
On the website,
How you doing?
I'm good, Tom. I'll see you.
yeah.
His wife's a former solicitor and just rattled loads of stuff off. Oh, really? I find Santander an absolute cunt at 40, 35, 40 people.
Keep off the grass.
Yeah, next door's
completely.
No, he got a message I think today.
Is this your car, isn't it?
Or yesterday, about maybe after.
How do we get in now then? Can't get in without doing that grass.
Said, what Zoe
Well, I don't think there's much room, is there now?
and basically living in the caravan, got no heating.
Seems to be okay. Grass runs on stairs, I think. I think it's a shared bit of grass.
Probably, but
Because if you look at the house, it comes up to tree. The tree's the property line.
yeah. To be fair, I was on this side of the tree.
Oh, right.
Can't we convert the caravan to get a look station? I don't know, we need to do something.
Just go for it.
I don't know, I found out this morning. I think it might be one on like a caravan park.
Yeah, maybe I should have. I've got a camera set up on that top window, but I don't think it's going to do much up there. Might be better off down there on the tripod. No, only the locksmith hiding around that. Right. Oh, we're still all working. Oh, it can't be bad. Oh, nothing happening, no.
Yeah, there's a locksmith hiding round the back streets, one of the back streets near here.
Huh.
I'm in Guildford, by the way. Just going up to the.
Yeah, I don't know if I told you we're in Guildford, but a bit late now. I'm sure I can add it on. But yeah, found a locksmith hiding in his Range Rover, or no, Land Rover, or whatever it was. So we'll see what happens there.
In one of the side streets nearby.
Is this the one that's just come past, the white one? Just come past now and just coming back.
No, that's someone that lives there.
Ah. Because the white one went past, wasn't it, a little while ago, yeah. It's coming since then.
Yeah, not seen anyone as yet.
You didn't make my coffee recharge.
I don't think that was Beryl, it's a coffee. What was it? Exactly. Were there two Beryls?
Huh?
Two Beryls? Two females? No.
I was too busy fucking around. You were saying how much attention you were paying, how good we really are, and want to relax, and you just told us that. That's right, yeah, we got this.
Beachcomber here. Sorry, vlogging journalist.
Used to be beachcomber.
Used to be beachcomber. And Bannerman's down here as well.
I used to turn up with me Tesla, didn't I? And I'm like, it ain't mine, lads, alright? Before you give me a load of abuse, it is not mine.
Right, let's get over and done with.
Yeah.
30 seconds, right? 30 seconds then. Let's go.
Yeah. We see that, that's the left.
She did get herself.
Murder and a mystery.
Yeah, you could say that.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the film crew to turn up.
You weren't the film crew. And is there someone famous with all the bits on? Lunchtime.
Do you want a selfie with him?
Has he?
Best thing to do is audio.
I'm actually live streaming.
Are you?
Oh.
Social services, the banks, other things that you don't even know about, things that you haven't or have you.
Yeah, and it's so secluded down here, nothing happened. And people have got their ring doorbells, but only to their point. We've got doorbells and ring doorbells and things up now. Now, and insurance still got to pay out.
But they look in the paper.
Car's just got to turn in and he's backed off and gone down the other way.
So I actually
There you go. Watch the intro. So there's already a lot of cameras over there recording what's going on. I'm not sure what's happening. Obviously the security are over here. So I think they called the police.
Is that Birmingham?
Are they badges and goodies?
Security doing the job.
I understand what you're saying.
Oh dear.
Time response vehicles. That's just
And yet I couldn't get anyone to come out when my dad's house was burgled.
No.
Not a one.
Anything to do with protecting your bank.
If you're on the right that side, they would have been out.
And so I live in the first floor masonette in London, and my neighbour, her husband left, so the mortgage never got paid. And so a property developer, Jewish property developer, brought it without telling any of us that it was being brought. She just said the bank's reclaiming it. He's brought it at like £150,000 less than its value. Brought in. I wondered where she was from. I thought she was Bulgarian. She said, no, I'm from Brazil. She came in with a team of, they were ferrying in the builders every day to come and do. They changed where the kitchen is at the back, moved it to the front, and I went, so he came along, you'd see, and he goes to me, have we got a problem? I went, yeah, we have. I said, what are you doing down there? I said, I think you're making this an HMO, because HMOs in my area are huge.
Yeah, gonna be.
And so, do you know who moved into there? A guy who calls himself Ahmed, who he says he's on emergency accommodation, brought his daughter. But weird things happen downstairs now. So they moved the kitchen to where the lounge is, because when they have an HMO, they have to make so much space as the common area. And then they can, and there's a garage attached. And I said to him, guess what do you think I should do with the garage? I said, make it a man cave. Make this is family. We're all families that live in here. And now we don't know who lives there. And then there was obviously the plumbing didn't work.
I don't know what you can do.
I went to the council, and the council said, it's not when this becomes an HMO, it's when. It's not if, it's when. They said, we know all this is going on.
But they're okay in it.
They're okay in it because they need to get rid of people that are rocking up that need to be housed somewhere.
So what was that one called?
The Evo Plus.
Evo Plus.
Yeah, EVO.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And you even find that they'll recommend say the 512 and not the 256.
Right.
So you've got to be careful with that as well.
Okay.
So it's how big
Now
it is.
I know what the issue is. So
Yeah.
thank you for that.
You're welcome.
But the locksmith alone calling them might have been enough that they called it off without letting us know. But I'm going to go and get a coffee.
And you didn't know it. So there's an opportunity next time. Get some rest of us asking the attendant booking tickets on his car.
So they're going to wait for us to go. They should do it at a certain
Toby,
time.
you're right.
Kind of missing.
That's what Rose bastards on video, don't we?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's the only way. I need a Wi-Fi though from the other camera. So I thought Rosie might have one. It's an old phone, but if I'm near a Wi-Fi, I can still use it.
And that's
Do you want Wi-Fi for
locksmith?
For this, yeah.
Sometimes they.
Yeah, but
Sometimes they.
what as a hotspot?
Yeah,
you
yeah.
mean? No, I'd rather have that and be a lot stronger in case we move apart.
Ah, right, of course.
Good talk with Toby about things, yeah. He likes my approach of going making TLT a vexatious claim.
Paper you have.
Make
And said,
TLT a vexatious
yes. I said, do you mind if I take a picture of that? No, that's okay. I said, thank you very much. You're so nice. Robert, but what are you doing here? Go home. Don't participate to any criminal activity. I said, I would love to go home, and actually I wouldn't like to be here. I said, why? What do you mean? Well, I go to Spain. I live in Spain. I said, what about in Spain? Robert, oh, near Malaga. I said, no way. I lived there as well. Robert immediately.
Then if any of these claims fail,
and he's like, no, really? I said, yes, really. I said, yeah, I know that area all very well. And I named English. So I named some of the places there. Like, oh yeah. So she knows Spain. I said, Robert, come on. There's a sanction. Why do you stay here? What are you doing here? Go home. Go.
validity to their claim.
No, not for that. No.
There's no sign of any bailiffs.
Eh?
No sign of any bailiffs.
They're not coming, are they? Won't take me long to get the drone up anyway.
I value Helen's out this evening, so it'd be a good. I value my.
When you realise the grooming gang is the government that's in our country, they are the biggest grooming gang.
That's why Labour don't want it, because they're going to be in so much shit if they do force an investigation.
The whole of Labour voted not to investigate.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. That wasn't a red pill for them fuckers that tune in to BBC Parliament on a fucking.
So they were in charge of just about, I think it was 95% of all those councils. That's why.
Yeah, and all the councils have voted to not have elections this year, haven't they?
Yeah, a lot of them, yeah.
Yeah, the May elections,
They're
they've all
trying to
said
make
no, we don't-
unitary authorities.
instead.
They've
all voted to keep one big entity in charge of Kent and Sussex. So no local councils.
So you lose the county councils and you lose the town councils.
And basically Labour stay in, which at the moment, if there was a judgment, then probably Reform would win and throw all the Labour councillors out. But
So
this way, they're keeping them.
Mind you, would it be that much different?
Yeah.
Give them 2 years and they would all be the same.
No, but as councillors, I think it would make a difference.
Reform should be like enough to like reform. We're going to reform the whole thing, but will they?
Well, the first thing they'll do is to take all the immigrants out of the hotels in the town.
Oh, that was a bad cycle smash.
Yeah, the people in there, that was the house that they came from. Oh, okay. So, but that's empty at the moment. And the guy died.
Oh, he was from Sicily. They had a cafe in town.
Don't know.
Yeah.
But he died, and within a few days he got burgled.
Hey, just needed that.
We're talking about
Found a decent stick.
800 million.
Yeah, proper stick.
I'll take a few legs out with that one.
He said he'll give his bank account. I said anything about 10 grand, they're going to block it.
I told you, I asked Metro, I sent them an email saying, can I put sizable chunks in? And I wrote to the head office and they said, go and talk to your bank. So they wouldn't answer the question. You've got to go to the bank.
When me and Sham did that, we went to the branch, and then we went to the other branch, and they said Indonesia is a high risk area, even for receiving money.
Well, I would say England's a high risk area.
Yeah, but they would say
Exactly. That's an excuse, isn't it?
I work with Santander. I'm sent from Marine Santander. I've got a couple of and see what they say.
What if you go in
What's it? It's humanitarian purposes. It's guaranteed.
Yeah. See if it works.
I think it's about 9:30 and about
The houses are ready to move into.
That's the only sign you get is
Jason's, I don't know what he's doing. That's the only time you can't
It's quite a big window.
Going to Thursday. This is can we actually
It looks like something people get pulled up back to court and tried go to jail and everything and stuff. It's not changing.
do what you can to get your hearing.
You're not coming in yourself, are you?
No, I mean, the thing is, it's a Muslim country, right? So men don't execute. I can do more up here on my phone than I can do physically out there because I won't be able to talk to the men. And I need to talk to the men. Yeah, because all the Muslim men are in charge of the project. There's no women involved there. It's the women and men don't mix.
It's over Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think women are as much.
No, they're not allowed to mix. So Leslie's going to run her own hospital and projects. She'll be in charge of managing the on-site, but mine's just mine's just, I'm just advising on how to launch this.
But isn't it much nicer out there?
Oh, it is. There's houses ready for people like us to go and live in.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
to do the project.
Whereabouts in Indonesia?
Cirebon. It's like between Jakarta and Bali somewhere.
Is it in the mainland or on the island?
Mainland, yeah. It's about 4 hours drive from Jakarta.
It's really heavily populated, isn't it? Jakarta is
Probably,
Indonesia is just come into the BRICS group now, isn't it? And it's 1 billion they got in Indonesia people. It's really the fourth most populated continent on the country. Yeah, it is one of the most populated.
300 million. It's gone up.
Yeah, fourth biggest, you know.
Yeah. They can have 4 wives, can't they? Men can reproduce.
Lots of arguments. I want that. One's enough. One is enough. You get the right one, that's all you need. But anyway.
No, but you know, the corporate structure has done it so that the bad men have all the babies and the good men have none.
Hello, doggy. Well, that was a bit of an interesting conversation, wasn't it?
Your channel.
Just heard something interesting. That lady up there in the big black coat is Richie Sunak's auntie.
Have that. Nice one.
Richie Sunak's auntie she is. Apparently, that lady up there in the black coat.
I think I follow you.
Yeah.
Richie Sunak's auntie?
Yeah, apparently so. Doesn't seem to like the Pakistani men though. She's having a right go about them, saying that that's why she's living here, because she can do things and So she's doing something, I don't know what, trying to help the women, Pakistani women here. Can't do it in Pakistan because the men won't let her.
Yeah.
So maybe she's one of the nice ones.
Where's Jay?
Right, I'm going for my tea. Thanks for following. Anyway, thanks for...
He said it that last one after he got done. Yeah, after he got nicked out.
If you make that announcement,
Yeah, no. He's sorry one.
which one? Because I really sorry. Ah, the other side, the other one. Yeah, because I did the one here.
Yeah, that's right. So yeah, I did he's sorry because obviously Surrey's quite big. To try and attract people that were closer to me as well. It's like today, you know, I'll come, you know, 4 spare seats.
They're protecting.
I did put a shout out.
He's gone a bit off rails, he has.
See if anyone wanted to meet up, so we could actually
Well,
many of them didn't.
I thought
no
he was.
replies.
I think there was something I was watching last night. And
Are you right?
Yeah, knackered.
I don't know how good it was. Or whether
Feet and legs have just about gone.
on our program, live program.
You should go inside maybe to take a little rest.
Yeah. Probably sometimes I do that, and then when I get up, I feel like my feet have grown roots, and then yeah, and I can't. Sometimes I'm better keeping going.
Yeah, does it?
So it would be good to get rid of it.
They've actually, I haven't seen it at 6 miles an hour for a while.
I will let you know.
I wonder
I'm
if
just
they
going to go
stopped
in
it.
and pitch.
Yeah.
Because the air quality has always been in the green, and then sometimes it goes into the next one, but even that's not bad. It's never been in the danger zones.
Well, I know when they were doing, somebody was doing independent auditing of the air quality in London, and they found that above ground it was one that would go underground. Shit.
Like train station, tube station.
In the tubes, yeah.
Can I interrupt there? I did a survey on the tubes. You'll find it on my blog channel, and the worst I got, I don't know if you know the numbers, but 780 of those, whatever they're called. It begins with a P, doesn't it? Particles. 780. Where the safe zone is below 50.
Yeah.
780.
And most of London is below 50.
Upstairs, yeah.
Even with all the traffic.
Yeah. But the minute you start going down those tube stations, especially Tottenham Court Road, Bank, all of those, they're up in the.
You think it's full of asbestos?
That'd be a different one, wouldn't it? Yeah, you never know.
In the old days.
No.
Don't know.
Hey guys.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
It's for my our website. There's a business directory on there, so you might find it useful actually. And there's links for all sorts of stuff. So I've got a mate who's a 5G activist, and he was trying to find out something about 5G, and he couldn't find it anywhere. Went onto our website, found the link that led him.
Mark Steele.
Sorry?
Mark Steele.
Yeah, I had lunch with him at the farmers' protest a couple of weeks ago.
I was up for that one, but I didn't see him. I didn't know he was there.
He was going, let's do a runner. On the lunch, I was saying, no, let's pay for it. I think he was joking. I'm not sure.
Why,
Hey,
What's this guy?
He just lives here.
No, you never know, do you? Could well do, because they're quite posh guys around here, aren't they?
You're Bannerman, yeah?
No.
No?
He's Bannerman.
No, he's
I recognise the voice.
I need to talk different then, don't I? That was a bit suspicious.
It was, wasn't it?
Just nosy, perhaps.
Yeah.
It's only
Maybe he thinks you're the police code and handcuffs as well.
It's only a 21.
He's been arrested for that before, though. It didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't work. And actually got compensation for it, so that's
Yeah, good news.
They can arrest me anytime.
Yeah.
Go on to new car next time.
It was quite. I didn't see the scratching, but I think the old lock father got his thing scratched, didn't he, on there?
Did he?
The lodge, yeah.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know.
Right the way down one side, yeah.
Right. Was it a key?
Yeah.
Do you ever get to use them, Mark?
Not yet.
No.
I did actually get a plastic pipe and I cut out a hole in it and a slot at the back and it pushed right in.
Oh,
and my finger was on the trigger just on the camera.
Was that?
So anyone who come in, everyone going, shh.
Yeah, that worked then.
Yeah. Just get bulky.
Yeah.
It was great.
I got roughed up the other night at King's Cross at the one of the Palestinian, and I didn't have it. It was in my bag, and there I'm getting a bit roughed up, chucked into the road in the end. Because by the time I go and get the bag, it's too late to use one of them. It's got to be instant.
Somewhere
yeah, it's got to be dead instant.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm ready for it.
Get a little thing to clamp here. So
it'd be ideal, wouldn't it?
Just it's the comfort camera, don't it?
Yeah.
Just get it on camera.
Did you have a flyer produced? Because that's what we do. We're sort of promoting.
I was lucky that it wasn't face to face. They were backing in. There was 3 of them like backing into me roughly, and then chucking me out in the road. Yeah.
There's no point to it all. No point whatsoever.
They're so aggressive, them lefties.
Does anyone produce like a flyer?
They're just so aggressive. They don't even know if you're on their side or not. I mean, I never said a word for hours. I just filmed them. So there was no. I do feel sorry for them. You know, I'm actually a believer in that. You know, 2 things should happen. One is they should give the hostages back, and the other is they stop bombing them. Just do them 2. It's over, isn't it? So I mean, I don't. You know, well, I'm not on their side as such, but I'm sort of on the side of whoever gets it stopped. Hopefully Trump.
The thing is with these protests, they should actually recognise the camera can go further for their cause.
Well, it should be a good thing for them. It's not a good thing when I go and put it up there with them all roughing me up, is it?
It shows them to be like what people believe them to be. So they're not doing themselves any favour. And I find a lot of it is a lot of white men as well. Are actually
that sort of camera resistance
confronting camera.
Well, we were doing
and I think that's the agenda.
Claire that was running the board, I think she's...
Yeah, received, I'll come down.
The light paper, wasn't it?
Yeah. They're going to do a telephone call to the courts.
Yeah, good idea. What? See if they're still coming, you mean? Is anyone phoning them? Is that what it's about? Yeah. All right, see you later.
I did suggest that junction and then the roundabout, and I said, no, you want to do that, and then luckily we got rid of and everyone was just shooting.
Oh, is it? Look, I was just on eBay.
Yeah.
Is it this one? You said it was.
So they're going to make a phone call now.
All right, Marky. Where is it? That one?
Yes. Yeah, but that's for mine. Yeah, oh, good, isn't it?
Oh, that's for yours.
That's for mine.
Might not work on mine.
Might not. You've just got to go on DJI.
Yeah.
And or Google it and just put something like recommended SD cards for DJI and your number 2. They'll then come up with a long list of them, about 12 or 15 different cards, and it'll be on there. So just Google what you want, and it'll come up. If you have trouble, give us a shout. We'll do it together.
That's what we try and do. We're trying to get more together like a bit. Yeah, we're still. I know, it's too fragmented.
We're still too long. I want more right here. I don't want to go there, it's too far from me.
Yeah.
Who's a what? It's up. Go. That is what you call backing, isn't it, eh? How about that for a turnout?
bailiffs. This is Hager John. So if I mention Hager, it's John. Bob's cases are actually Bob actually had the judge and the principal. When the police broke into Bob's, they assaulted you, they cut your head, but the judge on Bob's case went to the Crown Court. Well, I don't know, mate. It's up to you. I'm not down this way very often. He's just going to be meant to meet agents Tobe's dog, Ted. So that gave precedence, we can see to bliss. If you look at vagina, called life, assisted I find this move. When I met you, there was you, there was Tobe, there was Little Rose, there was Jeb. Jeb was an Irish hippie in a Harley, blue hair, purple Harley. We lived off the road, and we used to be a road and I thought, these are renegades, these are nuts. There was some I thought this is going to try, it's going to take over.
Yeah. I don't care about
you can't.
Bailiffs aren't coming. Bailiffs aren't coming. He just phoned the court, and the court was very nice. He just said, yeah, no, he put him on hold, said, no, the bailiffs aren't coming. They'll be in contact with you within, for a new date.
Well done. Numbers at the gate, the winners again.
Okay, so they cancel today, and they will be in touch, and there will be another day to decide, but for today it's been cancelled, so it's time to celebrate.
Yay!
Thank you.
They'll come back tomorrow.
Thank you so much to everybody for making this possible today, because I know that
Your first one represents that. Your second one is around every quite lovely.
I think you've also
Excuse me. Sorry to interrupt. Where?
You up the court tomorrow in London?
I don't know without my diary. I didn't have it down on me list. Something else.
Children got taken into care, social services.
Yeah.
Father's got PTSD and that might be interesting for the viewers and that.
Yeah, I'll have a look at my diary when I get back home because I'm not sure. I've got something on every day, but I'm not sure what it is. I don't think that was on it though. What was it? The Westminster, Marylebone.
I don't know exactly, but yeah.
Normally that one, isn't it? No. I'll have a look. I'll give you a shout if I can.
His brother was in for manslaughter.
Yeah. Was it early morning? Not early. What time in the morning? 8?
10.
Oh, 10. I'll see. Shooting what?
And that means that what they're doing is right. And then what that shows to the court.
Is that your one up there?
Yeah. I just had a look.
I had a quick look and it's some SanDisk.
Yeah, it's there. SanDisk Extreme. They'll let you have a 512.
SanDisk Extreme.
Yeah, which is not the same as mine. But then there's others. There's another 256 there. But 128. So they like all the extremes.
250. 258.
I've started to use all 512s.
Oh, yeah.
But it's just there, you know. Especially if you want to do one where you want to leave it somewhere and come back for it a day later.
Yeah. That's true.
You could do with something like, for the amount of money they are.
Yeah, I was looking at that. And there was someone said, yeah, SanDisk on the
Yeah.
too.
SanDisk Extreme there, yeah, they got small. I don't know what these V30, because you got this, like SanDisk Extreme Pro 256. That's up to you what you want to spend.
Yeah. But about 40 quid. That one I showed you,
Yeah.
that was 40 quid.
You need two, don't you?
Yeah.
Just in case.
So that's got
in case you're on a long job.
That's a completely different drone, isn't it? More or less.
Is that much difference there? I don't know, I'm not seeing that one really.
Yeah. Front's different. The rest of it looks the same, but the front bit and the gimbal's different.
Yeah. Batteries are the same, aren't they?
Batteries are the same, yeah, they're the same.
Which is handy.
Yeah, I didn't want to go straight in and get one of them because in case anything happens to it.
Yeah, no, that's right. You're not going to lose any money on the other one, are you? Really?
No, that's it.
You'll get your money back.
I'll give it to my son anyway.
Are you allergic to anything?
No.
No? Okay. You'll bring a claim all good. You'll get fucking money back out.
Did you get it up today?
Well, yeah, I've had it up a couple of times, but you know they weren't here, so I didn't want to use. I've got what 3, 4, 5 batteries, and I've already lost 2. I don't know how did you lose a battery? Don't know. Someone's garden.
Batteries separately?
Can't remember. They weren't silly cheap, though.
Probably about 50, 60 quid.
30, yeah, maybe 30. I'm not sure, but. Yeah, so I was messing around with 2 and just done 2 in the matter of the first. They only last about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to use it again and spoil it if the bailiffs turned up.
No, right.
Decided not to use it. I have to get another couple of batteries.
4 out, 5 out or not? Don't know the jar.
No, it's coming though.
It's coming out.
Yeah, it's coming. I don't think it's out yet. I don't think so. I mean, I don't know what they could do with it really. Make it waterproof. That's about the only thing I can think of.
I suppose, yeah. So you can't use them if it's raining, can
No, I lost one for a while.
Did you?
Yeah. The only thing you've got to be careful with, even with this, is I set it off earlier on this morning. When you set it off, my advice is stop it a little way up. Let it make a home, whatever they call it.
Home page.
Yeah, the home, and it says your home point. Because if you just shoot off and it makes home point a minute later,
that's true.
You're out there somewhere.
And I thought that yesterday, but I didn't hear it say home point. And when I let it go off and I couldn't find it, I thought, luckily, yeah, because I thought after when it came back, I was like, shit.
Yeah.
If it doesn't do that home point and I lose it,
it's going to be over there.
It's not going to come back.
If you can't see it, I mean, if you can see it, you can override it. which is not too, not too bad. But you've got to know where it is.
Yeah, but okay. But if it doesn't do that home point, that means it hasn't recorded where it's left from, has it?
No, but I think it will always use it, but on its way somewhere. If you, what I do is put it up and buzz it straight over there, and then I hear it say, "Oh, home point's done," and I'm thinking, where the fuck's the home point? Because it ain't here. Yeah, guys, that's about it for the on the ground content. But I'm going to finish off here now with some drone footage to let you have a look, and now a little message from me at the end. But basically, I'll see you at the next one. Hi again, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, maybe you could subscribe for me, that'd be really great. Anyway, I shall see you on the next one, but for now, ciao. Hi again, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, maybe you could subscribe for me, that'd be really great. Anyway, I shall see you on the next one, but for now, ciao.